Hey everybody, welcome back to True North VR. If you have the new user interface, you can still listen to music while you are in other apps. I'm just going to show you how to do this via the browser. I know there is a Spotify app. I don't have a Spotify account, so I'm not going to show you that one here. But in the browser, if you go on to YouTube Music, for example, and you start playing a song, I'm not obviously going to play a song for you because then we'll be worrying about copyright. But if I just click on the first one here, this is playing now. I can go in here and go into an app. Now again, I know you can't hear the music, but I can, and I can show you here. If I press the menu button here at the very bottom, you're going to see a little icon where if you click on that, you're going to see the audio that's playing. You can go to next, pause, or previous. If you want to go and actually adjust the playlist or songs, just click on the picture. That's going to bring it up right here for me while I'm still in the game. I can go back into the game by just clicking on it, and I can still hear the music. So that's how you can listen to music while you are playing other apps. Let me know if you have any questions. We'll see you next time here on True North VR.